In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Cloudflare, verify your human issue quickly and easily. This simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Google Chrome browser and go to the Settings menu. You'll find this by clicking the three dots in the top right corner of the browser. Next, click on Settings. Then scroll down to find Privacy and Security. Here, you'll see the option labeled Clear Browsing Data. Click on it, and you'll see several boxes appear. Make sure the boxes for cookies and other site data and cached images and files are checked. Set the time range to all time to ensure everything is cleared, then click on Clear Data. This helps remove anything that might be causing Cloudflare to repeatedly ask for verification. Once you've completed these steps, try accessing the website again. After that, you should be able to browse without seeing the Cloudflare verification page. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to fix the Cloudflare, verify you are human, issue quickly and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more quick tech tips.